how to add music to Canva video. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to just open our Canva right here and then go on the project wherein you want to add music. Now once you're now here, as you can see, I now have my blank space right here. So what we're going to do next is to go here and click the elements. And then once you click elements, you should be able to see this audio. So all you have to do is to click see all. And then on this part, you can now search for audios that you want to search. So let's say, for example, that you want to add a happy music or add a happy audio. So once you click that, you will see a bunch of audio that you can choose from. But keep in mind that some of the musics right here needs to have the pro version or the premium account of the Canva. So if you're not using a pro version of the Canva, you will not be able to use it. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this. So just click this right here. And then if you want to adjust it, all you have to do is to just drag the music right here. If you want to make it shorter, just drag this. Now, if you want to add a custom music on your Canva video, all you have to do is to go here on the uploads and then click upload files. And then just look for the audio that you want to use or that you want to upload or use in your Canva video. And then once you do that, all you have to do is to go here on the audio and then of course click it or drag it into this part. So that is basically it. That is how to add music to Canva video.